it's Sam. So today I'm going to be doing a room tour of Lily's bedroom. Lily's is probably one of my favorite rooms because it's pink and it's very cute and it's super girly, and it's a room I would have loved to have when I was a little girl. She spends a lot of time in her room. She really loves it. And so today it was actually clean. I feel like at that age you're not worried about cleaning your room. So I asked them to clean it. They shove everything into the closet, then I go back in and clean it, and then like by half an hour later it's a complete disaster. So it's actually clean at the moment. They're at school, they can't mess it up, so I figured I might as well just go ahead and film this really quickly. That's how I'm gonna have to do this, is I'm gonna have to just do tours of each room separately, because there is never a moment in my life where my whole entire house is clean at the same time. It's just not. It's not gonna happen. It'll be like the whole downstairs will be super clean and then the upstairs is an absolute disaster. And then I'll go upstairs to clean it, and then I'll come downstairs and it'll be messy again. The kids always have toys everywhere. There's clothes thrown all over the place. It's just never, like, I look at all these people and I'm like, how do your houses always look like pristine, delightful things when you have children? I don't know how they do it, unless it's just like, I really don't know. But I'm just gonna be doing tours one room at a time so that I can conquer that one room. It's clean and I can quickly film it before it gets messy again. So currently Lily's room is clean. That's what I'm going to show you. If I can just tell her to, okay, put your toys in your buckets, and that's how they clean it, that works for me. Let's go ahead and get into the tour. I hope you guys like this. If you do and you think her room is cute, please don't forget to give us a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. And subscribe if you haven't already. Let's go ahead and get started. Bye. Okay, so when you first walk into her room, her bed is right here. It's fun because then she can come and run in and go wee on her bed. But anyway, so this is her bed. We got this bed from Wayfair. It was on sale for such an amazing price. I will link it because I think that they're still available. But it's just like a little twin bed. She used to have a queen bed, but her last room was a lot bigger and this room is a lot smaller. So we wanted her to still have a lot of space to play. So that's why we got her a twin bed, and she loves the little pink headboard. And then down here she has her little unicorn slippers. This is the blanket I made for her when she was a baby. And then this one my brother just got for her. It's like a blanket with a hood for like a unicorn. It's super cute. That's her favorite little piggy. She got that for her birthday. The bedding is from TJ Maxx, and she has her little unicorn from Target. That pillow, I don't actually know where that's from. Could be either TJ Maxx or Target. This pillow is from TJ Maxx. That pillow, oh gosh, I can't remember where that one's from. That one is from Smoko. Those ones over there are from, oh, where are those from? Ankit, I believe. And then her sheets are so cute. I also, oh, she must have gotten into this after I cleaned her room. This is from Target as well. They're like little diamond sheets. They're so cute. So that's like a close-up of her bed. It's very cute. And then this wall is just pink. We don't have anything on it right now, but, and then this is her little nightstand. This is from IKEA, and the lamp is from it's from Target. That is from TJ Maxx. That is from Smoko. I gave her my little eye mask that Benefit and Pottery, or no, not Pottery Barn. Yeah, Pottery Barn sent me. She really liked it, so I gave it to her. Down here she has a little phone from Benefit, a picture of us on our cruise. This used to be a nightlight, but I don't know where the nightlight went, and then we made that little nightlight together. It's really cute. Underneath there she has her little book. It's like you can write. It's like little, I always forget what these are called, but you guys know where you can write them and then like swipe it off. She really likes that thing. And then over here is where she keeps her Vampirina doll set. She really likes this. In here she has Magnetiles. Oh look, and a dirty sock. That's fun. She likes these little things as well. The little, what are they called? Pick-me pops or something? I'm not really sure. And then she has her little Vampirina car, her little piano. Over here she has a big tote full of stuffed animals. I got that from Target. They're really handy. They fit so many stuffed animals in there. And then this one I think I got from TJ Maxx. So this is where she keeps all like her random toys, like her little, you know, bird cage and that kind of stuff. Horses. She loves Spirit. Her dolls. So this one is just for stuffed animals. This one is for toys. So that is her little corner over there. So that's usually where she does most of her playing. And then she has a big mirror right here. This we actually painted for her. If you guys watched us like years ago, we painted this, I think in Montana. And I did all the gems and everything. It's got like a little Hello Kitty like hair clip that I took the clip off and I hot glued. So we've had it for so long. I mean, we've had it since she was tiny. Also, I'm in my pajamas. And then this is her little unicorn box. Let's see what she keeps in it. I don't actually know. I don't really go through her stuff. I let their rooms be theirs and they kind of just do whatever, but okay, I have no idea. It's really hard to open. She likes it. She keeps her goodies in there. And then over here, she has her mirror. It's a nice big closet mirror. I know these are a little outdated, but honestly, I love them because who doesn't want a big, huge mirror? So that's her closet. And then that's where she keeps her little baby doll. Over here, we have her dresser, and that's where she keeps all of her clothes. Jay and I refinished this. We bought it at a garage sale, and then we just made it look snazzy. Or maybe it was on Craigslist, and then we refinished it. Either way, we refinished it, and I like it. The drawers aren't great. They don't pull out the best, but hey, whatever. Up here, she has her little, this was one of the printables that we got from, I think it's called Big Sky Printables. I'll try and link them down below. They're on Etsy. I still have her sock. Her laundry basket is normally here, but it's currently in the laundry room, so I'll just put that sock there. Then she has her little piggy bank. This crown was a gift that was sent to me from Moonplay Cosmetics, and Lily really likes it, so I let her have it in her room. She mostly gets most of my PR stuff, and she likes them because they're always super girly and fancy. And then this little unicorn is from Target. That's a picture of her on our cruise in Alaska. This is a rock that she found that she thinks is a fancy crystal. She just got this for her birthday from her friend. It's like a little rainbow light. And then this is what the wall looks like. Oops, almost just tripped. Behind it. So she has all of her unicorn pictures. Most of these are all from TJ Maxx. You've probably seen them in my backgrounds of videos, like that one, I think, and probably that one. So I've just kind of like done a little gallery wall with all of them. This one here is actually blocked, but she really likes this as a nightlight, so it just says live your dream. But that one's a little crooked actually. So she just has like her little, this is like her little inspiration wall of unicorns and pretty sparkly things that she loves so very much. So then from this angle, this is what her room looks like. Oh, I forgot her unicorn. That's from Target. That's from TJ Maxx. It's actually a Christmas sign, but I think it totally works with this room because it says believe and then there's a unicorn head above. So this is what it looks like from this angle. She really likes this room. She said this is her favorite room, and it is very girly. I think it's because it's pink and blue. Oh, and then she has this cute little chandelier as well, which is really adorable. And then she has her little white curtains that make it look all bright and airy. I think Moo's trying to sneak in here. And then this is her closet. So up there we just have pictures that like they're hanging really weird on the wall. She has her old bedding in there, her suitcase, their little pumpkin thingies for trick-or-treating. And there she has a bunch of hair bows. These are some of her, well, these are all of her like hang-up clothes. So she actually hung these up herself. She did such a good job. It was so cute. And then in the bottom here, she has all of her ponies and unicorns. And here she keeps all of her like purses. I have no idea what's in there. I'm assuming little creatures. She has all of her TY Beanie Babies and these little things right here. In there is actually like stuff that I used to take pictures on, and then I gave her this and then I never took those out. She has her hula hoop. She has a little birdhouse that she made with one of our boxes that we got. In here I think she keeps all of her makeup. Yeah, her pretend makeup. And then over in that back corner she has gloves and hats. So that is her little closet. So yes, that is Lily's room tour. This is probably going to be clean for about 2 seconds. I'll clean it and then within 10 minutes it's a mess again. So I figured I would just hurry up and do this while she was at school so that it's not going to get ruined. But I'm pretty sure as soon as she gets home tonight, it will be ruined and it will be a mess once again. All of these toys will be all pulled out. There'll be clothes all over the floor. The bed will be unmade. It's usually a total mess in here. I mean, I already put a sock here. But yeah, this is probably my favorite wall right here. I really like this one. It's so cute. Like, oh, Moo's trying to get in. Are you trying to get in? Actually, I think some of the pictures are crooked. That's the problem with gallery walls. They're a total pain to keep straight all the time, but it is very cute and I love it, and she loves this room a lot. So there is Lily's room tour, guys. I hope you guys like it. It's a nice cozy little room. She loves it. Her desk is actually like outside on the opposite wall in the hallway. We have her little desk where she does all of her little artwork and her little bits and bobs. She has all her art supplies out there because there's really not a whole lot of room in here. I wanted her to have her toys. We did have her desk here, and then it was like there was no room for her to play, so we have it just outside the door now. But yes, there you guys go, minus the sock. Hope you guys like it. Thank you so much for watching. Give me a big thumbs up if you enjoyed,